For this video, we are trying to solve valid palindrome using a two-pointer approach, and here's what we got.
So we can loop through each letter of the range,
yes,
check
you
if
can.
each
Yes,
letter,
Yes, you can.
we just have to make it lower.
If I dot is al num.
I think here we have to create a new string called new str or something, and then we just append it. Okay.
Is it append? Can you append to a string?
Oh no, it's just plus equals.
Okay, so just did a test case and it works. Oh, it's not lowercase though. Alright, this worked. We got it.
So our code is actually kind of slow, just iterating over the string every time we append. So we iterate.
Jonathan is saying use a list and put the characters in the list and join the list together. Because if you do the string, if you have words in here, every time you do plus equals, it has to go through here, and then plus equals. And then it adds the letter.
Yeah, and therefore you're creating a new string every time.
So, but we will append.
Yeah, now we append and we do join.
Wait, dot join.
Oh, okay, it works.
How do we do a pointer? Should we keep it as an array? Is that what we gotta do?
Ooh, you're right.
Totally.
I think we do have to keep it as an array then. Start will equal to 0 and end will equal length of new start minus 1. It's because I think here you're getting the values though.
What am I supposed to be getting?
The actual, like the 0. Start at 0 and end at length minus 1. Because we're working with indices now.
Yeah, you're right. Wow.
Yep. Okay.
Start not greater than. Wait, can I do that?
I would say I'm not sure.
That looks so weird to me. I don't know if I've ever. Well, start less than.
Yeah, less than.
If
now we're gonna say new str equal at start. Yep. There, bro. That's magic, bro. That's all you. That's all you. Yep.
That's not it, right? That's not pointer. Okay. Start equals 1 and minus equals 1. Return false. What do you think?
I'm liking it.
Let's test it. Okay. Interesting.
All
All right, we're gonna submit it. See what we get. Come on, fingers crossed. Please.
Did we get one wrong? Oh, let's go.